fun, forgetting your pen card means getting locked out of your room. So, to solve this problem, we created the ESE Detect. The ESE Detect started out as a detection system, but is now a reminder system that notifies users that they need to check for their pen card before they leave their room. The ESE Detect consists of a master and slave module connected by Bluetooth technology. On the master side are NFC and ping sensors that would be attached to your door frame. The ping sensor detects the presence of an individual passing through the door, and the NFC sensor detects anything with an RFID, including pen card, license, credit card, and much more. This master module then sends a message to the slave module, telling it to turn on an LED or buzzer depending on certain conditions. Scenario A is fulfilled when the ping sensor does not detect anything going through the door. This is the most common scenario that will be experienced using the ESE Detect. So on the ESE Detect, you will know scenario A is going on when the LED sensor is off and the buzzer is off. Our second scenario, scenario H, is fulfilled when the ping sensor detects an individual passing through the door frame, but the NFC sensor does not detect any RFID. So this can be displayed on the ESE Detect through a LED being off, but the buzzer will be on. This buzzer will notify the user that they need to check for their pen card. Our third and final scenario, scenario L, is when the ping sensor does detect an individual passing through the door frame. The NFC sensor will also be detecting an RFID. So this means that on the ESE Detect, we will see a certain signal. The LED will be on, and the buzzer will be off. This scenario reveals a successful exit of the user with their pen card in hand.
Building the ESE Detect consisted of multiple steps. The first step was to build a circuit which had a ping sensor, an LED, and a buzzer, the most basic form of our device. In this circuit, the LED and the buzzer would respond to an object within a certain distance of the ping sensor. Step 2 was to integrate the Bluetooth modules into this device. So, we had the master sending a signal to the slave, which would activate the LED and the buzzer in response to an input from the ping sensor. Step 3 was integrating the NFC shield with an Arduino, which involved soldering headers onto the shield and then placing it into the Arduino.
So step 4 was programming the NFC to detect any RFID signal. We had to implement certain Arduino libraries in order to fulfill this task. Our final step in creating the ESE Detect included debugging the circuitry, the Arduino itself, and also reprogramming any bugs that we found. What started out as a simple pen project for detecting pen cards has now moved on to detect so much more. The ESE Detect can be used to detect credit cards, license, SEPTA card, wallet, and many more different RFID